As soon as BrightPay 2022 is installed, a new separate icon will be created on your desktop to access the new software. You will now need to tell BrightPay to import your employer data files and all linked employee data records from the 2021 software into the 2022 software. After you install the newest version of BrightPay, select Import Employers on the Open Company screen. Choose Import from BrightPay 2021. Browse the location of your 2021 BrightPay data file, highlight it and click Open. If you've more than one employer file to import, highlight them all by holding down the Shift key on your keyboard and left-clicking on each one. Click Open when ready. BrightPay will now set up the employer data file and import all employees with active employment records. A notification will appear on screen when the import is complete. The employer you have chosen to import will now be added to the employer listing. Please note that the password to open the file remains the same as it was in the previous year. Employees who were made leavers in the previous tax year will not be imported, and any active employees who received no pay in the previous year will be imported.